At one point, a client asked Claude if he would also install some sod and create some garden beds and some other landscape features.
Oh, honey, this is so exciting. Like, instead of just putting a few trees in, we get to do his lawn.
And I said, wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Are we landscapers now?
It's like, how hard could it be? Hey, I'm Claude
And I'm Judy, and we're from Kayben Landscaping.
in Okotoks, Alberta. How we got started was we had this land and we wanted to figure out a way how to make some money off of it
We had some trees that were big enough to sell, so we started selling trees.
and installing them, and then started doing sod and garden beds.
That's how we became landscapers.
One of my biggest challenges was trying to do everything yourself. We can outwork the competition.
And so our challenges were like many other companies. They were things like hustling for work and hustling for people.
So why can't we find the right people? Well, without good systems, even if you found the right person, they're going to leave you. So yeah, we found out about BTA because they had a webinar through the LMN platform.
So when we first joined Breakthrough Academy, we were doing about 1.77 million annually in revenue, and our team size was about 16 people. So now, 4 years after joining Breakthrough Academy, we are at about 3.5 million in gross revenue, and we have 33 people on staff. The three systems that Breakthrough Academy has really helped with, I would say the most, is annual strategic planning,
GSRs and employee retention, employee hiring.
So the annual strategic planning that we learned how to do with Breakthrough Academy had a massive impact, and it was hard work. Make a goal, now figure out how to make it happen. Now you create the steps and the daily habits and the systems to actually reach those targets instead of just hope for the best.
We incorporated GSRs to kind of all the key areas of our business, sequentially going through each week, the critical events, the planning, and even the personal stuff. With GSR, the business definitely operates smoother.
Breakthrough Academy taught us how to create a career path for people and show them the possibilities. So that's had impact on, the depth of our bench. It's had impact on who we can attract. We found out that people want to know what the opportunities are. And the better the opportunities we have, the more experienced and qualified people we can attract.
So having LMN and BTA together, I think LMN, what they really bring to the table is really good budgeting and equipment costs. And what I really like about them is landscapers creating the program so they really understand the landscaping. And then BTA, just all those numbers flow in your master business plan. So, I mean, they are a really strong marriage.
So since joining BTA, I feel like I know where we're headed, and I feel like we have a business that's well organized, that is something we can be really proud of, and makes a lot of sense. I think what's next for Kayben is Claude and I both removing ourselves a little bit more yet from the business.
Instead of putting everything into the business, having some balance so we can do some hiking, get into nature, and re-energize ourselves that way.
To other contractors and landscapers that are struggling right now, I would recommend you get involved with something exactly like BTA.
It's gained us a lot. It's helped with reduced frustration. It's helped with customer service. It's helped with employee retention and I think overall health of the company.
Falling into